In this video I will show you step by step how you can contact WhatsApp Messenger support. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to head over to a browser of our choice. So in today's video I will go over to Google Chrome. From here you want to search for WhatsApp, and then we now need to scroll down until we see the option for WhatsApp and then all of the different options underneath there. Now what we want to do is click on the contact WhatsApp option. That will then bring you over to this page right here, and then as you can see at the top there is now an option for WhatsApp Messenger support. If we click on contact us right under there, that will then bring us over to this page where we now need to enter in our phone number and our email address. Once you have entered in your phone number and email address, just scroll down and then choose the platform that you use WhatsApp on. So for me, I will leave it on Android, and then what we can do then is enter in any problems that we are having into this text box below. So just something really simple like this about any problems that you are having with WhatsApp. So what I've put is that my account has been banned by mistake. Could they investigate and unban my account? So just something really simple like this, and then click on the next step. Once you do this, you will then get a lot of different answers to your question. If none of these do apply to you, what you can then do is click on send question in the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on send question, that will then send that form over to WhatsApp, and then they will then get in contact with you via your email to solve any problems you may be having. So it's just that simple to contact WhatsApp Messenger support.